You're comparing two actuator spec sheets side by side. One lists its force output in pounds force, the other uses newtons, and then a third datasheet from an overseas supplier throws kilogram force into the mix. Now you're punching numbers into a search bar, second-guessing conversion factors, and wasting time you don't have. That's exactly the problem this force unit converter solves. You type in one value, select the unit you're working with, and all 7 common force units update instantly. Newtons, kilonewtons, pounds force, kilograms force, ounces force, dynes, and kips. No clicking a convert button, no reloading a page. Change the number or switch the unit and everything recalculates immediately. Here's how the math works behind the scenes. Every force unit has a fixed conversion factor to the newton, which is the SI base unit. Think of it like a currency exchange rate. 1 pound force always equals 4.448 newtons. 1 kilogram force always equals 9.807 newtons. To convert between any two units, the calculator multiplies your input by its newton factor, then divides by the target unit's factor. Zero ambiguity. So where does this actually matter? First, actuator selection. You're sizing a linear actuator for a lift mechanism and the load requirement is in pounds force, but the manufacturer specs are in newtons. One wrong conversion and you either overspec and waste budget or underspec and risk failure. Second, international collaboration. If you're working with suppliers or engineering teams across different countries, force units will vary. This converter keeps everyone on the same page. Third, quick sanity checks during design reviews. When someone quotes a force in kips and you need to gut check it against your Newton-based FEA results, having instant conversion eliminates mental math errors. Whether you're a mechanical engineer, a robotics builder, or a technician specifying components, this tool saves time and prevents costly mistakes. Find the link in the description below to use this calculator and read the full engineering guide.